Hi there. I wanted to take a couple of seconds and share one of the parts of one new tool this month with you, and it's this top thing, the Google URL Shortener. We've probably talked about this in our meetings before, but I love this extension. I use it all the time. You can see it's already up here installed in my extensions. I want to show you quickly how to install it and then how to use it. So first I'm going to go to a new tab and I'm going to type in Chrome extension because that's how I always search for every extension that I'm looking for. Then I'm going to type in Google URL Shortener, and you can see that the search is going to pop right up, so I can click enter. And it'll be this top one right here that says unofficial. You click on this, and then you'll click add to Chrome in yours. It's already installed on mine, so I can't. And then you'll see a little box that pops up here, and you'll say add to browser. So once you do that, you can close that tab and then go back to something that you want to share. So you can see I'm back on the One New Tool slide deck. If I go over here to this extension in my extension group, you can see that it's setting up the shortened URL up here. This makes it a lot easier for students or for other adults to enter this website into their browser. You can click copy here, or you can also click on QR code, and this generates a QR code that goes right back to the same website. If you want to click this, you can have this available for kids on the display board in your classroom. You can also save the image. You can also copy the image. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. This extension is the one that I probably use the most. I use it all the time, and it's really handy, super useful for me. As always, if you have questions, please reach out. We're always happy to help.